Okay, so for the O2 on the driver's side, it's very easily accessible for the connector. So here it is, and it has a locking mechanism on it. So you have to come in here with basically a screwdriver, and you just get underneath this tab here and pop it upward, and that unlocks it. So once it's clearly unlocked, then just pull on this top piece here, just wiggle it back and forth, and that disconnects it. And so now it's still connected by those little pins that you can just push off. And so to get to the actual O2 sensor part of it, it's going to be a lot easier to come in through here and get access to what you need. So we're going to go ahead and take out some of these screws that you'll find up in the fender well, and just peel this back. Take out this wheel well liner, and there it goes into the exhaust like that. So you need a 7/8 inch wrench to get on here, or a O2 socket itself, which is basically a socket that goes over the top, but it has a hole so you can go over this wire. Okay, so in here we're gonna disconnect this O2 sensor, and so we're following it from here in the exhaust rather than unscrewing it and doing that. We're just gonna unplug it. And so, sorry, it's a little tight in here. So we're gonna get our screwdriver in here and pop off this lock. There we go. So that unlocked it by popping that upwards. So now we can just pull the sensor apart. Okay, so now I was able to spread those two apart with that lock undone. So you have to flip that open and then it'll pull apart. And we're going to pull the O2 sensor off of this little thing it's attached to. Just going to basically pull the pins out. Okay, so we're just prying the sensor out of its little deal there, where those two holes were that it was pushed into.